How to create a TikTok account. First, open any browser, then simply search for TikTok.com. Once it opens, you'll see an interface like this.
Let's go to the pub. You ready?
Simply click on Login. Now, a TikTok account can be created using two things, either a mobile number or an email address. You can use any email service like Outlook, Gmail, or Hotmail. Simply click on Create New Account. Now, you'll see an option to create an email. Go ahead and create an email, and make sure to note it down. After entering the email, click Next, then type in your password. Enter your full name and click Next again. Now, select your country and date of birth. Then click Next. You'll now see a human verification step. Solve it and confirm. Finally, your Outlook.com account is ready. Now, open TikTok again and click on Sign Up. Choose the option Mobile or Email. This is an important step, so pay attention. Here, you need to enter your real date of birth because it can cause issues later during monetization verification, so make sure to enter your real date of birth. Click on Sign Up with Email, enter your Outlook.com email address, and set a new 8-character password. Then click Send Code. You'll get a human verification puzzle game. Simply drag the puzzle to the correct position. After that, you'll receive a code on the email address you just created. Check your junk email if you don't see it, otherwise, it should be in your inbox. Simply copy the code and paste it into TikTok. You'll see another interface, and finally, your account is ready. Now, you can enter your username or skip it if you prefer. Your TikTok account is now ready. You can start using it and enjoy. In the next video, I'll show you how to earn money through TikTok monetization. If you want to see that video.
We're playing songs for my mom. Do you like the way I flick my tongue or not? What?
Please comment and like this one. For more interesting videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.